Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful, pretty and very fast crochet beanie hat. The body of that is made by only 2 rounds. I made this hat for adult size and I used a worsted weight yarn and a 4.5 millimeters hook for the brim and for the body. You can make the brim of the hat with this hook and make the body of the hat with larger hook. That's optional, but I made that those two with same hook. If you're ready, let's get started. Start this hat from the brim of that with a slip knot, and then make some chains so that the length of these chains reach the desired circumference and fitted the head for your desired size. I want to make that in a multiple of 2, and I will make 72 chains for adult size. After making your chains, put your finger on those chains and pull it down to not twist them, and insert the hook into first chain and then grab the yarn, pull through and pull it through the last chain. And now I have a circle and I should start the first round of the brim. First make 1 chain and 1 single crochet into same chain, and then make 1 chain. Then make 1 double crochet into second chain and hide this tail through the work. 1 double crochet into the next, and 1 double crochet into each of next other chains. We should make 1 double crochet into all chains until the end. Okay, now I'm at the end of round 1 and I should make 1 slip stitch into this chain 1 at top of first single crochet, and now start round 2 with 1 chain and 1 front post double crochet around first stitch. I should make 1 front post single crochet and 1 chain at top of that instead of front post double crochet. Okay, so insert a hook around first stitch, grab the yarn, pull through and yarn over, pull through 2, then make 1 chain, then make 1 front post double crochet around next stitch. Again, yarn over, insert a hook around the next, from front to back to front again, and make next front post double crochet. 1 more time, insert hook around next stitch and make 1 front post double crochet, and we should make 1 front post double crochet around each stitch of round 1 and repeat this work until the end. You can make 1 front post and then make 1 back post and repeat this sequence, 1 front post and 1 back post until the end, or make only front post double crochet around all stitch. Continue until the end. Round 2 is finished and I should make 1 slip stitch into this chain at top of first front post single crochet, and again make 1 chain and 1 front post single crochet around first stitch and 1 chain at top of that instead of 1 front post double crochet. You can make 1 or 2 chains at the beginning of each round and then make 1 front post double crochet around first stitch. That's optional. And then I should repeat round 2 make one front post double crochet around each of front post double crochets of previous round. And after that I should repeat this round 2 more times. I want to have 5 rounds in total for the brim, and now after round 3 I will make 2 rounds of front post double crochets, and then I'll come back to start the body of the hat. Okay, the brim of a hat is ready, and I have 4 rounds of front post double crochets after round 1, and now I should start the body with same hook. Make 1 chain and start round 1 of the body. In this round I have to make 1 back post double crochet around each stitch. So for the first stitch I can make 1 back post single crochet and 1 chain at top of that instead of 1 back post double crochet. Insert the hook around first stitch from the back to front to back again, and grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then make 1 chain. Then yarn over and insert the hook around next stitch from back to front to back. Grab the yarn, pull it through to back, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And again 1 back post double crochet around the next stitch. We should make 1 back post double crochet around each of these front post double crochets of last round of the brim. Continue making back post double crochets until the end. At the end of first round of the body, I should make 1 slip stitch into chain 1 at top of first back post single crochet, and start round 2 with 1 chain, and in this round 2, we should make 1 double crochet into each stitch. This is the first stitch, and I should make 1 single crochet into same stitch, joining stitch, and 1 chain at top of that, and then make 1 double crochet under both loops of next stitch here. Again 1 double crochet into the next, and repeat that work, and continue making double crochet into all stitch until the end. Now at the end of round 2, I should insert the hook into this chain at top of first single crochet here, and make 1 slip stitch, and start round 3 with 1 chain. And in this round 3, I should repeat round 1 round of back post double crochets, and for first stitch I can make 1 back post single crochet around first stitch of previous round, and then make 1 chain at top of that instead of 1 back post double crochet. Then make 1 back post double crochet around the next stitch and each of next stitches, and complete this round. And after that again repeat round 2 round of double crochets. Actually we should repeat these 2 rounds, round 1 and round 2 of the body, and make a round of back post double crochets and round of double crochets several times until the height of the hat from here, from the start of the brim, reach the desired size. Okay, I repeated round 1 and round 2 of the body 7 more times, and now I should decrease the top of the hat. But if you want to make a slouchy hat, you can add more rounds before decreasing. Now for making the crown of the hat, make 1 and 2 chains at the beginning, and then make 1 decrease back post double crochet around first 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook around next 2 stitches at the same time and pull the yarn to back and yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, yarn over, go around next 2 stitches at the same time from the back to front to back again, and grab the yarn, pull it through and make next decrease back post double crochet. One more time, insert the hook around next 2 stitches at the same time and make next decrease back post double crochet, and repeat that work. We should decrease each 2 stitches of previous round together and continue this work until the end of the round. Now at the end, make 1 slip stitch at top of first decrease back post and make 1 chain and 2 chains. In this round, again, we should make double crochets, but we should decrease each 2 double crochets together. So yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, joining stitch, and then go to next stitch and pull up a loop. I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 3 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2. It's an invisible decrease double crochet. One more time, yarn over, pick up a loop from next stitch and directly go to the next stitch and pick up a loop from that, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. And again, repeat that work. 1 and 2, yarn over, pull through first 3 and yarn over, pull through 2. And continue this work and make invisible decrease double crochet over each 2 stitches of previous round until the end. Now at the end, make 1 slip stitch at top of first decrease double crochet and repeat previous round. Make 2 chains and make an invisible decrease double crochet over each 2 stitches and continue until the end. At the end, I joined to first stitch and now make 1 chain and leaving a long tail. Cut the yarn and pull this tail and then turn the work to wrong side and close this hole at top of the hat with same yarn, weaving through this tapestry needle and then insert the hook into first stitch of last round from front to back, then go to next stitch from back to front, again go to the next from front to back and go to the next from back to front, and continue this work for all stitches of last round. And now pull the yarn to close this hole completely. Then make some stitches at top of that to secure the hole. And then cut the yarn. Turn the work to right side And now our beautiful and simple hat is ready. You can make it for each size you want. And if you want, you can attach a pom-pom at top of that, but I prefer to make that without pom-pom. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.